Well, good morning. Got here a Stanley Park memo about the news of the possible ability of the Stanley Park train would come in there. A fellow here passed away recently for the model railroading thing, and then here's a sort of LRT running from other part of Canada, U.S., or in Europe. Anyway, mixed compilation here, so and stuff like that. So indeed, please enjoy, and got some mixed horror meme and other railroad and stuff, a mixture here.